everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. I will share with you one appetizer that's absolutely favorite and I make so often. A while ago I shared spring rolls, Vietnamese style spring rolls with shrimp. Today I'm showing you with sushimi, salmon sushimi. Look how beautiful. If you haven't seen my video about how to do your own salmon sushimi, I will link below, make sure to check. It's super easy, and other ingredients we need, of course, rice papers, and I have pumpkin, color, yellow, and beautiful beet. It's pink, it's gorgeous. I love it. It just, please ignore this baby. We have a variety of vegetables with carrots, some turnips, and some herbs. I have scallion, parsley, and cilantro. This vermicelli made up with rice. They call rice sticks. All you need just to pour hot water and let sit for 10 minutes. Become nice and soft in a few minutes. I think 5 minutes is enough. They are nice and soft. Yes. That's her day when she can do whatever she wants, including eating ice cream potatoes. Alright, now we have this pasta, so this noodles, and we're ready to roll. I'll start with steam one. And this is nori, regular sheets for the sushi. Garlic, ginger, peanut butter. This sauce is so delicious. It's sweet, salty, a little bit spicy. About 2 tablespoons. Rice vinegar. Sesame oil. About 1 tablespoon or so. And this is fermented black beans. Good stuff, I love it. Gives good flavor for everything. yummy sauce, I have to mention, it's good used as a dressing. Make some kind of Asian salad. I love, all my family love this sauce, and I have similar video how I make the shrimp. It's the same sauce. You can use little bit proportion. If it's too spicy for you, cut on a sauce, on a hot sauce, a chili sauce. And if you want less salty, just taste how you like. Try if it's good. Delicious. It's a good way to eat vegetables. For people who are picky eaters, don't eat vegetables, that's a great way to make them to eat. It's wonderful. Nice, crispy, and the sauce, it's salty, sweet, spicy, sour. It just explodes flavor, and very garlic and ginger. It's a good, healthy appetizer. Actually, it can be lunch as well. So I hope you give me a like, subscribe, share with your families, and make some spring rolls. Bye, see you next time.